Samsung has officially entered a new chapter in foldable phones with the Galaxy Z TriFold. This is Samsung's first phone with a tri-folding design, and it stands apart from the Galaxy Z Fold and Galaxy Z Flip in a big way. The goal here is simple: give users a massive screen for work and entertainment, while still allowing the device to fold down into something you can carry in your pocket. The Galaxy Z TriFold uses an inward, folding design with two hinges. Both sides fold over the main display, keeping it protected when the phone is closed. There is a specific folding order though. The left panel must be folded first, followed by the right panel that holds the camera module. If you try to fold it the wrong way, the phone warns you with on-screen messages and vibrations. This helps prevent damage, especially since this is a brand new form factor. Despite having two hinges, the phone is impressively thin. When fully unfolded, it measures just 3.9 mm at its thinnest point. When folded, it comes in at 12.9 mm, which is actually slimmer than some foldables with a case on. The phone weighs 309 grams, which is heavy, but understandable given the large 10-inch screen. Samsung has also improved hinge durability and reinforced the foldable display. The phone carries an IP48 rating, meaning it has water resistance but limited dust protection. Unlike the Galaxy Z Fold series, the Z TriFold does not support flex mode. You can't hold it half open at different angles. It's meant to be used either fully folded or fully unfolded. That means features like hands-free camera previews or laptop-style angles require a case with a kickstand. The displays are where the TriFold really shines. The main internal screen is a 10-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel with a QXJF resolution and a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. It reaches up to 1/600 nits of brightness, which is good for outdoor use. This large display is built for productivity. You can run 3 apps side by side, resize them easily, and use landscape layouts that show extra tools and menace. On the outside, there's a 6.5-inch cover display with an HD+ resolution and a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. This screen gets even brighter, peaking at around 2/600 nits. It's perfect for quick tasks like replying to messages, taking calls, or snapping photos without unfolding the phone. Powering the Galaxy Z TriFold is the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy processor paired with 16 GB of RAM. Storage options include 5 120 GB and 1 TB with fast UFS 4.1 storage. The battery is a 5600 mAh 3-cell setup, the largest battery Samsung has ever used in a foldable. Charging is also improved with 450W wired charging, wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging included. The camera setup is the same as the Galaxy Z Fold 7. You get a 200MP main camera, a 12MP ultra-wide camera, and a 10MP telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. There are also 10MP selfie cameras on both the inner and cover displays. Video recording goes up to 4K at 60fps on all cameras and 8K at 30fps on the main sensor. On the software side, the Galaxy Z TriFold runs Android 16 with One UI 8 out of the box. Samsung promises 7 years of major Android updates, taking support all the way to at least 2032. One standout feature is Samsung DeX running directly on the device. Thanks to the 10-inch screen, you can use a full desktop-style interface without connecting to an external monitor. Multitasking is strong, with 3 apps running at once, pop-up windows, and improved gestures. Galaxy AI features like generative editing, live translation, and audio tools are also included. The Galaxy Z TriFold launched first in South Korea with a price around $2,500. It's rolling out slowly to other regions with a US launch planned for early 2026. Samsung is also offering a one-time discounted display repair to help ease durability concerns. In short, the Galaxy Z TriFold is built for users who want the biggest screen and the best multitasking experience Samsung offers. It's expensive, heavy, and not for everyone, but it clearly shows where Samsung sees the future of foldable phones heading.